Hi everyone, welcome. We build a full stack crypto investment platform where user can deposit coins and earn daily basis interest. So it's fully functional project like have user dashboard, admin dashboard, and the 2FA email verifications. Everything is working. So let me explain. Here is the calculator where user can calculate the interest. We just choose this top famous tokens for this project, and user can calculate the interest. Here is the some data related the how much deposits and earn, the guidelines how they can user follow the instructions, customer use. This is the first landing page, and let's log in the dashboard. Okay, so here is the dashboard also showing states data. Here is the deposit section. For example, we click on the sol, so we have to deposit here. Click and enter the amount 10 sol. Next, so here user have to send the funds on this address and confirm the deposits. Then like let me confirm it. Okay, so right now in the transaction we have 10 sol transaction number and status is pending, and also you can browse others. So here is the each token price. Here it will be show the balance when admin approve the transaction. Here is the chart of each. Here is the withdraw section. Even user can withdraw the funds, but you have to first active the two-factor authentications, or if you don't have like these coins, you can click here on the trade now to buy these coins. Here is the referral system, so you can copy and invite your friends, and also you can earn reward. The reward you will be get after the user will be create account using your referral link and deposit. After the admin approval, the reward will be come to your wallet. And this is the section we can add more functionality here up to your on-demand customization. On this here you can change password, two-factor authentications, and change the password. Here is the admin dashboard. You can see here more details. Even you can admin can edit the balance of the users, and here is the transactions. Here we right now we have one pending transaction. If we prove it, okay, so here is the deposit history. Let's wallet. You can see here the deposit amounts 10 sol, and here is the balance. Okay, so this all project is available for sale. Anyone want, you can contact us on Telegram, and even this have light and dark mode. Here is the light mode theme. For any question, kindly contact us on Telegram.